All right, so we got the Duratec out. Actually threw a rod. I think it just got hot and grabbed the rod. The pin doesn't look horrible. I mean, obviously it got smacked, right? But see, you can kind of still see a reflection on it. It's not ground out like if it ran out of oil or something. But yeah, I mean, even though this had like massive leaks. Now I just got a new block, and then we'll actually be playing with this block in the channel to see if we can put a ecoboost bottom end on this with the stock heads and see if we can get the same power as the ecoboost. These make like 180. The ecoboost makes like almost 300. So that'll be if we can put all stock, you know, parts and make this a 300 horsepower motor, that'll be crazy. With the Ranger. Okay, so we made it to day 3. Now today what we're gonna do is just basically clean the engine bay, just pressure clean it and use some degreaser and down soap. I got some basic hand tools, you know, like a scraper, brush, that type of deal. That's what I'm gonna use. Just basically get it a little bit cleaner to work on. Day 2, as you saw, was basically to take the suspension loose so I could take the motor mounts out. But in the process of touching the suspension, everything looks so bad that I'm gonna go ahead and actually rebuild the suspension. I'm gonna do it on a budget, so instead of buying the complete arm, I'm gonna buy bushings, ball joints, more labor intensive, but you save some money. And then once I'm done here with day 3, which will basically be cleaning it and hopefully just painting it a little bit, I wanna change the evaporator inside before I put the engine in, because I feel like doing that now is so much easier than when the engine is in, and I'm pretty sure that's the OEM evaporator. So at one point that's gonna fail. I prefer just to do it right now. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna put a time lapse and I'm gonna get after it. Up is day 4 on the Ranger. Day 4, basically what we're gonna do is get the suspension parts cleaned up, ready to go to accept the new parts coming in. And then we're also gonna, day 5 or 6, we're gonna be swapping the old accessories from the old blown engine to the new engine, and then just basically get that ready to be put into the frame. And this is how everything is coming out. Like I said, we're still gonna replace the evaporator, but everything came out really good. Really happy with the results. Stay tuned for day 4.